Top stories. Parents and CSO should not give unreasonable interruption in children's academic atmospheres, says Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla. Road widening work of Imphal Mori Road going on in full swing. People's protest against CA bill continues. Students take up procession. Rajya Sabha can discuss CA bill anytime during session, says National General Secretary and Northeast in charge Ram Madhav. And People Alliance of Manipur calls total shutdown on whichever days Rajya Sabha decides to discuss the CA bill. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. The news read by HARIPRIYA. And now let's have the news in details. Addressing on the 33rd annual celebration of Assam Rifles Public School in IGAR South Mantri Pukri, as chief guest, Governor of Manipur Dr. Najma Heptulla said that both parents and civil organizations must not give any unreasonable interruption in children's education, as education is a factor which will decide the future children. She further said, a well-educated person will help shape stronger society. Mentioning that Manipur is inhabited by people of many different communities since time immemorial, she said, everyone should try to teach the present generation the sense of oneness and brotherhood among them.
Students should be encouraged. Therefore, I appeal to all concerned not to disturb education under any circumstances, considering the profound importance of education in the civilizational development of the nation. Fortunately, there may not be any disturbance of education in the Assam Rifle School because of its location. The motto of the school is to lead towards enlightenment from the darkness of ignorance. It is indeed a noble thought, and I am happy that the school has been truly living this thought as evident from the result.
The main highlights of the function were distribution of award to the students of the school and cultural dance and song performances. Dr. Najma Heptulla also said that it is worth applauding that the school is providing education and hostel facilities to some 26 students who are living below the poverty line, and this step will surely help in bringing education to another level in the state. The function was attended by Major General K.P. Singh of IGAR South, Principal of the school Dr. Alka Jain, and other high-ranking officials of the Assam Rifles. The ongoing construction work of double lane in Trans-Asian Highway on National Highway 102 is in fast track. The ongoing construction work is being underway under the Ministry of Road Transport Highway with sponsorship from Asian Development Bank and National Highway and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited as its implemented agency. Feedback Infra Private Limited, which is the authority engineer of the project, and GR Infra Private Limited, which is the main contractor of the ongoing construction work, is aiming to complete construction work of double lanes of such places which are 45.680 km in length along the highway within the already set duration. The 457.77 crore project is set its target to complete by 15 October.
Law and order situation ju phattaba mafam oibanina masibu yam thuna akoina yam thuna loi giduna amutang di mayamgi chatpada nuainaba hariba Imphal to More National Highway number 102 se masi amutang package second package si amutang thuna khoi loina bagi amukta khoina ju kana khona jani.
Some 30 kilometers of hill around the areas are going to flatten out of which 8.3 kilometers had already flattened and another 4 kilometers is currently in work process. The company is using 38 excavators, 65 dumpers, soil compactor, grade 4 JCBs, 5 water tankers, 2 transit mixer and 1 milling machine for the ongoing work. Official of National Highway and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited, which is mainly responsible for the project, expressed their views.
जितना हमारा हिली पोर्शन में हाई लेवल वाले हिल्स हैं उनको हम मई लास्ट तक कंप्लीट कर लेंगे, कटिंग जो करना है हमको। और बारिश का सीज़न हमने कंसीडर किया है अपने प्रोग्राम में, जिसमें कि हम जो लो लेवल एरियाज़ हैं जहाँ लो हिल है उसको हम बारिश में टेकअप करें। तो इस तरह से हमने मानसून सीज़न को पूरा अपने प्रोग्राम में लिया है। प्लस कुछ कलवर्ट्स जो हम यहाँ पे बनाने वाले हैं वो हम प्री कास्ट बनाएंगे, वो हम अपने यहीं प्लांट में बनाएंगे और उसको ले जाके साइट पे फिक्स करेंगे। जैसे नॉर्मल प्रोसेस में बनता है कि आप जाके साइट पे ही बनाते हैं, वैसा हम नहीं बना रहे हैं। हम उसको ऑलरेडी यहाँ बना के ले जाके वहाँ लगाएंगे। तो वो सारा काम हमारा रेनी सीजन में वो हमने अपने प्रोग्राम में कंसिडर करके तब हमने टारगेट रखा 18 महीने।
People from all walks of life still continue to agitate against Citizenship Amendment Bill, Steal the State. Several students of Thoubal district took out procession against the bill today, in which various anti-CAPE slogans were shouted by the protester. Meanwhile, students of DM College also held a protest rally against the same bill. However, they were interrupted by the police, resulting in a clash between them. On the other hand, supporting the anti-CAPE protests, Nepal also held a torch rally in Langthawal, Puramakong along the Mayai Lambi Stretch last night. National General Secretary of BJP and Northeast in charge Ram Madhav told a national media that the CA bill is not included in the business list of the Rajya Sabha budget session. However, the Rajya Sabha can discuss the bill at any time during the session. On the other hand, Samata Party along with Bahujan Samajwadi Party have assured its stand in favor of the CA bill. Rajya Sabha may discuss the CA bill on February 12, which is just one day before the adjournment of the budget session, it is reported. On the other hand, People's Alliance of Manipur (PAM) has called total shutdown on whichever day the Rajya Sabha is going to discuss the CA bill. Addressing a press meet called by the People's Alliance of Manipur at the office of MOCOC today, President of MOCOC and convener of PAM, FM Jalan said the total shutdown called by the Alliance on February 7 has been called off due to uncertainty of date for discussing the CA bill. He said the Alliance will launch total shutdown stir in state in protest against the CA bill.
Rajya Sabha karam matam da bill si puthok kadawri bano haibatugi akoy yamna kanna akoy monitor tawraga akoy leijari Delhi da leiba adumba political leadership aduga loinana tongan ba political analysis aduga tongan ba CSO sing hiramjigi matang da thuranduna khang heraba expert kaya ga akoy yamna tattana akoy pau phaunari Rajya Sabha da puthokpagi tangtaba tangdangba ma madugi wafam akoina hek khangbaga Hana Lau Toxic Hiba Aduga Mari Lenana, total shutdown Yaduma, Kongjanga to Putokadaban with Adumakta Tawani.
On the other hand, Wahingbam Kameshwar, who is also one of convener of PAM, said the alliance welcomes the call for united agitation made by Manpack. He appreciated those volunteers of local clubs and Merapaibis who took part in the protest on February 3rd and 4th. Wahingbam Kameshwar also assured that the alliance will never compromise its agitation at any point. It will fight against the CA bill until the state and the center do not act according to the desire of the indigenous people.
Completely withdraw the power, Kariguma Hiram Amatada, compromise Toro. Bakata and Akoki Mumelasi, sanction Binabakitamakta, Iram Damaster Ladiba, CSO, Amasung, civil organization Kutimaku, Mumelasi, Bakata and Satabu, High in Akoina. People Alliance Manipur ki maiki degi no luxury.
And now let's have a short break, so stay with us.
Musicians, singers, dancers, rappers, actors, comedians, any talent, The stage is waiting for you to showcase your hidden talent all over India through Mega Talent Show on Lamjingba Times of Manipur private satellite television channel, which is available at Tata Sky. Prizes: winner ₹1 lakh, first runners-up ₹80,000, second runners-up ₹50,000, 7 consolation prizes. Audition on 30th, 31st March, 1st and 2nd April 2019. Last date of enrollment 15 March 2019. Forms available at Tom Office, Uripok and a college near you. Call 940-299-1938.
Manipur gi ahanba 24/7 cab service oriba lamjingba cab service na miyam gi seba da leizari. Apamba service khanbiu. Economy rate ₹15 per kilometer, standard rate ₹25 per kilometer, luxury rate ₹55 per kilometer. Manipur gi district singi maruaina Mau, Senapati, Ukhrul, Manipur gi mapal gi lamsing loinana luhongba madi atai thodok singi damakta akhanaba discount pizari. Hena kupamarol gi dama contact tobirau 1800-1027-959 amadi 8794613154. Ekhogi website www.lamjingbacap.com.
Welcome back. As part of ongoing Third World Bamboo Workshop, participating architects representing different nations displayed various bamboo artwork at Hapta Kangjebung today. The bamboo workshop was inaugurated by Chief Minister of Manipur, Nongthom Mambirin, at the City Convention Center yesterday. Artisans and weavers of Manipur also displayed various indigenous products by opening different stalls. On the other hand, architects showcased their works at separate stalls representing their countries. Mechanical engineers accompanying the architect demonstrated how the tools and equipment work as well. Talking to Tom TV News, the engineers explained how the tools and equipment come handy while carving and constructing various structures with bamboos.
So it starts with the cross-cutting machine. We take a long bamboo, it is nearly 30 to 40 feet length. Then we cut as per our requirement. We cut it into 8 feet or 6 feet or 4 feet length. That is in the cross-cutting machine. Then from cross-cutting it goes into splitting machine. So depending upon the dia, we split into different pieces. So that is called splits. After that split, it goes into the thick slivering machine, where at least 10 mm or 12 mm depending upon the bamboo thickness. There it is made. Then comes the thin slicer. Here we get a slivers of 1 mm. This is for making round stick of 1.3 mm dia. For making incense stick or agarbatti stick, we need this bamboo stick of 1.3 mm dia. So we insert this sliver into it. Its thickness is more than 2 mm, 2 mm to 2.5 mm. And then it cuts into 1.3 mm dia stick. Now he will show you. Yeah, sure.
Hojik wadagi aikoina hana khangnaramba mayamjindagi awon bama mayam tabu yare wasidagi aikoina uga compare tawada udagi hena wasina bu hena lasting oibagi fium da hojik chathari machi steel ga sab manana machi strength laigani adagi aikoina u phangdre u chi amna tangchale haraju mahu chilaga wasina tum sijnaba yare wasidagi saba bu yamna tiles, furniture, makan gi adum handicrafts in nataba mayam ama hojik si puthokpa yare. Chemical ji akoina tonga sum jadna bi tonga ba chemical lei masigi. Chemical ji international allow to boric acid ka borax ka ani ji akoina 1:1 da adumaina su sina ba yare 25 gram ani si Taruga mix Taruga Queen Sine, Ising Litter Madahapaga. I do Ising Litter Maji Makalahum Tona Queen Sine, Amana Ing by Ising Gita Chemical and Salaga Tingi Habama. I do Numitarani think that Porseska Sangi Adumagi, a hand Hana Ting Dringimamanda, Adugi Matunda Amuk Queen Atopa Machi Boiluina, Ising this whole Laga Tauga Habasiare. Quite deep Habadi since hand was in a quite the best way. Adunataba. Ado di sumchar adu na taba amana maji akoina maikhu chahan bado adu maina tawsu yai makal ahum ji
Director of Veterinary and Husbandry Services Dr. Hestao Singh made an appeal to the public to cooperate during house visit as part of ongoing 20th livestock census, as it hardly depends on whether the government provide different schemes or not. In a meeting with our reporters at his office chamber in Sanjentong, Dr. Heistauber said that the livestock census is conducted in every 5 years. The 20th census will begin from October 10, in which 152 enumerators, 31 supervisors, 12 scrutiny officers will take part. Likewise, making the digital India complete, tablets and computers were used to collect data last year. He added, census report is important to make doubling the farmers campaign, an initiative of Indian government, a grand success.
Limited resources, manpower, and mobility kudong chataba mayam si kuida sulay lena koi masi koi matam sana timely luina na bagi damakta koi yam kanna department na honna jarak pasida mayam na villager sing adai ati library ba citizen mayam puna mangna cooperate tawbiro aseng data pibiro aduga maduda koi na base tawraga koi gi sakhat thaurangi scheme plan project mayam si maduda base tawgataba yam maru oiba pot oibanina achumba sengba si pibiro census si changuba matamda convince tawdadana aigi imung manungi property san yen ok deiti atei leiriba mayam si ai kamai kadoi haido kadoino ai haido pom thukte na haido oi gain tongna issue mayam ma yawi madu koi lekai dugi kungang dugi volunteer sing club ki deiti civil society organization sing concern authority ga wari se phajina pau se phauna jaraga kona budi convince tawraga tawbirei nupi numerator sina my family se puraga village da leega lambi thong kudong chadabani na loidabadi yadabani na maduna koina swani amwana koina honna jariba mayam gi kanu tawusida cooperation bajagi section khuding makti gi cooperation pbo na koi department gi site gi hasangi loising gi site gi mayam da appeal sumatu.
Governor Dr. Najma Haptullah has summoned to start the 7th session of 11 Manipur Legislative Assembly on 20th of this month from 11 a.m. She summoned the session under Article 174 Clause 1 of Indian Constitution. A notice has been sent by the Secretary of Manipur Legislative Assembly, M. Ramani Devi, in this matter. All Manipur IFCD Water Resources Department, Manipur Employees and Worker Organization today's tech sit-in demonstration urging the government to fulfill various demands at PWD complex in Imphal today. Protesters demanded payment of backlog wages for 12 months as on January 20 for work charge and master roll workers, and regularization or conversion of work charge and master roll workers. Talking to Tom TV News, one of the protesters appealed to the government to fulfill their demands at the earliest.
Pangwa facility meando ako the nil neba currently hosi makogi niumda maramatuna ako nga si wakachari bisi ako gi tiu tolop thatan ki tolop pitopiu.
And now let's have a short break.
Furniture industry da chahi tara manga hen experience leiraba mobile furniture ngasi Manipur da chahi mari mapung fana retail stores ani na miyam gi seva pijari. Miyam service vertical sing asigi khudong chaw lobi nasimuk lengchin biroksi mobile furniture Capital near Imphal Quarters. The great wedding sale by Mobile Furniture.
Welcome back. Jila Parishad member of Uchekon Nongchup, Seram Niken, said that it is unfortunate that allocation of the MG NARGS on Imphal East District Jila Parishad is still not certain. He, on behalf of the entire Jila Parishad member of Imphal East District, said that all the Jila Parishad will boycott DC if the fund is not allocated within 6 of this month. At a press conference at Panchayat Bhawan, Porompat, he said that from 19 crore fund from the Center for Imphal East District MGNREGS, 63 lakhs have not been disseminated so far. He added that it is an act of neglecting the Jila Parishad members that DC of the district is not able to disperse the fund transparently and urged to replace the DC who is working under influential people. Under the supervision of SP Soibam Ibomcha, a team of Mori Police Commando seized 650 grams of number 4 worth 1.30 crore along Imphal Mori Road while checking a Maruti Suzuki registration number MN06LA6857 coming from Mori to Imphal. The drug was seized from Thongkholan Haukip, age of 30, son of Jampao, from Ward number 7, Chawangwai village. He was smuggling the drugs in 50 packets near the vehicle door. Meanwhile, a team of NAP seized WY tablet worth 1 lakh from 2 persons from Singzamai Chingamaka. They are Muhammad Rizan, 24, from Lilong Kuno, and Muhammad Farkat Khan, 20, from Lilong Hainong Makong. A white I-20 car was seized from them. Naga People's Organization NPO hosted the Lungaini, the Harvesting Festival of Naga Tribe, organized the festival at Sanapati District headquarters with the theme of understanding through culture. MLA S. Subhachandra of Nauriya Pakhang Lakpa felicitated the workers who newly joined BJP at Nauriya Pakhang Lakpa Maitram polling station 21 by 29 today. At a function held at MLA's Lamphel Quarter, BJP Manipur Pradesh General Secretary and Nimbus and Mahila Mandal President K. Inaucha attended the function. Speaking to the media, MLA Subhash Chandra said that people keep joining the party, trusting CM in Biren-led government. He added that the strength of BJP will increase even more now that the workers of different parties have joined BJP.
Honorable Chief Minister Biren Lusingba Sarkar asina paikhalaliba maruina Nauriya Pakhang Lakpa Kendra paikhatsariba thabak thorum mayam si pembedana Maitram Awang 21 by 29 the polling station sigi Hana Trinamun Congress ta Wakar Obiramba NIDP da Wakar Obiramba Congress ta Labiramba Punamak Sarkar Sigi local Iva Shangal Iva Sagal Iva Mayam Singasida Tazabidana Nasi Asi February Tang Manga Singway Paravan Minasida Ekoi Punamak.
And now let's move on newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express World Bamboo Workshop kicks off. CM underscores bamboo plantation for sustainable development. Citizenship bill necessary, says BJP President Amit Shah. Cabinet recommends budget session from February 20. Ibobi and team take anti-CAB lobby to Rahul Manmohan. Imphal Free Press. World Bamboo Organization names Manipur as Bamboo Capital of the Year. Identity verification of rescued victims of trafficking in process at Nepal. Budget session to commence from February 20. Cabinet approves inclusion of media persons, newspaper hawkers under CMHT. Father-daughter sought at by miscreants. The People's Chronicle. Rahul Gandhi assures Congress Legislature Party North-East Students Organization teams to fight CAB. Budget session of State Assembly from February 20. CM ministers seek global support to tap bamboo potentials. Father-daughter sought at sit in protest stage.
Before we close, let's see the top stories once again. Parents and CSOs should not give unreasonable interruption in children's academic atmospheres, says Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah. Road widening work of Imphal Mori Road going on in full swing. People protest against CA bill continues. Students take out procession. Rajya Sabha can discuss CA bill anytime during session, says National General Secretary and Northeast in charge Ram Madhav. And People Alliance of Manipur calls total shutdown on whichever day Rajya Sabha decides to discuss CA bill. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.